Barney, will you teach me the Regulation Mayberry Sheriff's Department salute?
The right hand is held rigid on your side, the thumb flat against the forefinger. With the elbow out, the hand is drawn out in a 45-degree angle, with the tip of the index finger touching the visor of the cat. Where upon contact, it is immediately released with a snap and restored to its original position.
Actually, that sounds way too hard for me. Instead, let's just give my cat his new Dynamite Catnip stick that just came from Amazon and watch him play with it. He loves these things.